Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals if it's crashing on your PC. Alright, first up here, check the minimum requirements. The minimum requirement would be Windows 10 64-bit for OS, alright, which has 1909 update, and the processor would be Intel Core i5-6600K or AMD Ryzen 5 1600X. Memory, 16GB of RAM, graphics card NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, an AMD RX 580, and an Intel Arc A380. DirectX version would be version 12. Alright, storage 70 gig, and it is recommended to play the game using an SSD. Now, if you don't meet the minimum system requirements for the game, that's the main cause why your game is lagging, crashing, or stuttering. Alright, if you have the minimum requirements, let's move forward. Just go ahead and go to your search bar right here and type in system updates. Alright, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Once it loads, click check for updates, and if there are available updates for you, just go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer, boot up the game, and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, again on your search bar, type in device manager. This one will pop up, click on it, maximize. Now go to the display adapters, click on your graphics card, right click on it, hit on update, and search automatically for drivers. Once the process is done, restart computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, just go ahead and update your graphics card driver using its software. For example, here I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app, or once before called NVIDIA GeForce Experience. And if you have an Intel or AMD graphics card, just go ahead and look it up online on how to install your respective graphics card drivers. Now, going back to NVIDIA, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Go to the drivers tab and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers for your GPU. If you have installed it already and you still have the problem, just go ahead and reinstall it from here. Once done, restart your computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, again, go to your search bar and type in graphics. All right, graphics settings will pop up. Click on it. Now, you're going to want to make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. Now, in here, click on browse. All right, now locate the games directory. It is located on C, program files x86, then Steam, Steam apps, common, and Marvel Rivals. Once you're in here, open up the Marvel Rival folder. Double click, click on Marvel, add, and it is now added. As you can see, just go ahead and click on options and make sure that it is set to high performance. All right, once done, hit on save. Don't launch the game yet. Go to your search bar again and type in game mode. Click on this one right here, which says game mode settings. Make sure that game mode is turned on. Then in here, go to game bar. Make sure that it is turned off for now. All right, if you're using game bar, just go ahead and turn it on. But to those who have Potato PC, make sure that you have this turned off, as it eats a lot of your computer's memory. Now, once done, in here in the search bar, type in background apps. Right here, click on it, and make sure that it is turned off as well. After that, go ahead and open up your Steam app. Go to the Steam icon right here at the top left. Go to settings, downloads, and hit on clear cache. Wait for the process to finish. Wait for the process to finish, as it may take some time. Once done, don't launch the game yet. Click on the game, right click, and go to properties. In here, go to install files and simply hit on verify integrity of game files. All right. Once done, close this one, play the game from here, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if that still won't work, or if your game's still crashing, click on the game, right click, go to manage, then browse local files. Once you're in here, go to the Marvel game folder, click on the game, right click on it, and simply run as administrator. If running as administrator works for you, just go ahead and go to properties, go back to the same section again. All right, compatibility tab, and make sure that you set this to run this program as administrator. Once done, hit apply, hit OK, and you're good to go. If running as administrator doesn't work, go back to the same set of settings, compatibility tab. You want to make sure that disable full screen optimizations is ticked. All right, and hit on apply, hit OK. Bonus here, go to change high DPI settings. Click on override high DPI scaling behavior. Scale and perform by, make sure that it is set to application to reduce input lag. All right, once done, hit OK, launch the game again, and you're good to go. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.